Hi, my name is Jerry Clark. I am a certified personal trainer and nutrition coach. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 3 best diets to burn belly fat. Your diet is one of the most important factors when it comes to burning belly fat. A diet is any food you eat regularly. There is a lot of bad information and myths on what is the correct diet to burn belly fat. Here are 3 diets that are guaranteed to work. The number 3 diet is intermittent fasting. You must burn belly fat when you don't eat food for energy. Intermittent fasting not only cuts calories, but it eliminates them better than any other diet. Belly fat is an emergency source of energy, and intermittent fasting creates an emergency by eliminating energy for food. Fasting once a week will speed up the removal of belly fat. Intermittent fasting improves your metabolism, prevents you from losing muscle while burning belly fat, and creates a larger calorie deficit than sleep. The number 2 diet is restricting electronic devices. Even though electronic devices are not food, restricting them causes you to burn belly fat. Electronic devices like televisions, smartphones, and computers create and encourage an environment for a sedentary lifestyle. According to the World Health Organization, a sedentary lifestyle is the second leading cause of obesity. By restricting electronic devices, you can increase your metabolism, NEAT activities, sleep, and exercise. The number 1 diet is restricting processed foods. The World Health Organization lists processed food as the leading cause of obesity and many other deadly diseases. Processed foods are made of chemicals that are packed with calories that damage your hormones and health. The more processed food you eat, the more exercise you need. The common characteristics of any good diet is eating real food that increases your metabolism and improves your health. Intermittent fasting, restricting electronic devices, and processed foods improves your health while burning belly fat. For more information about your health and fitness, visit us at tfclark.com. Thank you for your time and have a great day.